Yeah, I think all the members of Jewish community are somehow connected with the survivors, because there are no other members except survivors of their kids or their grandchildren, and everyone has his family story, and it's unlike sacred thing, and doesn't make any special influence every day, but you try to remember, you try to understand other people, and to explain to who is not understanding, to explain what was the problem. And now, while working in the museum, I see that a lot of young people, they don't understand even that Holocaust, that Shoah, and they don't believe, they don't understand, they don't want to know. And it's not so simple to explain, not so simple. So there are people that in the community that are trying to work on that case of explaining.